Hey YouTube, it's Mystery Shadow 1969 coming to you from Royal Caribbean's Ovation of the Seas. I'm on the jogging track here on deck 15 of the Ovation. Check this out. Over here on the right side, we've got the North Star. It's actually up here in flight right now. Check this out. Way up there. The North Star will take you up to 300 feet above sea level. So great views. Today we're in port, New Caledonia. So got lots of good views here. All right. Let's get around these people here.
They're not spinning at us.
All right. We're walking forward on the port side of the ship. We'll enter into the indoor pool. Yes, really, they have an indoor pool. So in case the weather gets rough, we have an indoor pool. Let's check that out next. All right, here we are, the indoor pool. Oh, what's going on here? Got something going on, like calisthenics or something. Pool aerobics. Yeah. So we got something going on here in the pool. We also have hot tubs. Not just one, but two hot tubs. With lots of action here at the pool. All right. Whew, a little loud in there too. Cut across the ship here through the elevator bank and out to the starboard side of the ship. Ooh. Wow. Yeah, that's loud. Does it have to be that loud? All right. We're over here at the North Star Bar right now. What's nice about this, they got a wonderful view of the outdoor pool, the main pool. You can see that here. Got the pool. Got like a jumbotron. A lot of times there'll be movies or videos playing there. Good view of like the kids' splashaway bay. Up there is the sweet sun deck. They got a video right now here. Overload on the cuteness. Dogs. Everyone loves dogs. Alright, over here we got the kids like splash park. And looks like it's not operating right now, but there it is. Lots of wonderful slides and spray things. Your kids will not be bored there. Alright, let's keep on walking. At the back part of the ship, at the aft, is where they have a lot of fun stuff. We'll get to that here shortly. We're headed there now on the starboard side. Just another view of me, in case you forgot what it looked like. Need a little more screen time. How's it going? Up here on the right side, you'll see not one, but two pandas. They have two pandas. I guess it's Mommy Panda and Baby Panda hanging out here on the side of the ship. There we go. There's Mama up there. And Baby Panda Mommy, mommy, mommy. Can you hear the babies now? Mommy, 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 mommy. Over here's a rock climbing wall. So if you're feeling adventurous, you can rock climb all the way up there. Much fun, much fun. So that's rock climbing. They also have the ripcord by I Fly. The check-in area here's on the right side. Ripcord by I Fly. And what's up here? A flow rider. Let's see what's happening here on the flow rider. Oh, got boogie boarding here on the flow rider. Yeah. Looks like fun. Oh yeah. Definitely fun. Have you done it? Have you tried it? There's also stand-up flow riding too, like surfing. If you've done that, let me know in the comments below. This is interesting. There's a ship being loaded, or is it unloaded here, in Noumea, New Caledonia. Looks like the ship is heeling over to the port side. I wonder if that's on purpose or coincidental. I don't know. Noumea is a commercial port. It's really not a cruise port. We just happen to be here. And in case you wanted to go to town, you have to take these buses to take you into town. But here it is. Nice scenery. It's a beautiful, hot, hot day today. All right. Whew. I'm feeling it. It's also super humid. Yeah, actually, we're near Australia, north of New Zealand right now. So, kind of down under, but not quite down under. Here, check this out. Shuffleboard and seize the day. Here's another part of the doghouse. As we walk forward on the port side of the ship, we're headed back to where we started from. Here at the main pool, the Lido deck. We'll show that off one more time. Yeah. Alright, here we are at the main pool. Looks like the North Star is being loaded for another trip. Alright, the main pool. Beautiful day to spend at the pool. Because it is hot, hot, hot. Yeah, look at them. They're enjoying the pool. Yeah. And this is me, Mystery Shadow 1969 on Royal Caribbean's Ovation of the Seas. Hopefully you like this video. If so, please give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. I appreciate that too. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. And hopefully I get to see you on board soon.